In this video, I am going to share with you practical full day diet plan which can easily make you lose 10 kg in a month. So hello guys, welcome back again with this new video. Hope सभी आप लोग मस्त हो. चैनल में नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब जरूर करना. This is Xtream fat loss diet which is well balanced, low calories and full Indian meal plan. The recipes in this plan is full Indian and easy to make. I will keep this video very comprehensive. Not only I will show you a preparation of each meal, but I will also tell you about a workout plan. So sit back, enjoy and get ready to cut extra fat. First thing in the morning, still in a bed, drink 1 glass of warm water. Drink it slowly, watch your body to get activated. Warm water will kick your metabolism which can help you to cut fat loss. रात को ही आप warm water को गर्म करके रख लो. जैसे ही आप morning में उठोगे तो आपको warm water तुरंत मिलेगा जो बहुत help करेगा आपके metabolism को increase करने में. So jump out the bed fresh enough and let's go for workout. 30 minutes of strength training in home or gym and 20 minutes of cardio and abs. You can also work out at home. Let your body cool down and let's go for breakfast. So this is breakfast time, and breakfast we have oats. Try for plain oats. Don't use masala oats because plain oats have simple carbs which help you to cut fat loss. Let us check it out at quick and simple recipe. Chop all your favorite vegetables, lit the gas and put the pan. Add little water, toss in a veggies and some salt and masalas and let them boil for a 2 minutes. Now you have to add 100 grams of oats. Finally add 70 gram of paneer and mix it well. Don't overcoat. Garnish with lemon if you want. So what say? Oats are a best food which can cut your fat loss easy. Oats have excellent source of carbohydrate and high protein. This meal fulfill your breakfast longer period of time. So I am also going to eat this. Let's see you in lunch. Next meal should be 4 to 5 hour your breakfast. However, if you feel hungry between breakfast and lunch, drink water. If that doesn't fill you up, you can have hot cup of green tea. It definitely cut your fat loss, and along with you can also eat any type of fruits like banana, apple and grapes, any fruits because I prefer like apple. So you can try that. Now it's lunch time, and lunch we have 1 roti and 1 katori of black chana and 1 katori of delicious cut with black pepper. And let's go for its preparation. Switch on the gas and in a pan add little water, and after finally add chopped onion and tomato, and you can also add some masalas for your taste, and finally you can add salt and black pepper. Now we will add black chana which could be sucked as a previous night or a early morning. Meanwhile you should add a curd in a bowl, and you can also add cucumber if you want, and you can also add tomato. Curd will help you for in a day and it will increase your metabolism naturally. Season it with black pepper and jeera powder, and 1 chapati is enough for your carb loading. By this time black chana curry is also cooked. The trick is to eat slowly, chew it. Give your food to due attention. If you think that this food is not enough for your meal, take a time, give a 50-minute, and then you can see that this meal is definitely worth. Okay, bye, and I will see you in a evening snacks. This evening snacks is highly nutritious, well balanced and easy to carry. All you need 3 to 4 dry flakes and 4 to 5 almonds, and you can also eat banana because banana is a high calorie source and it will fulfill your snack. I can spend whole day talking about a anjeer and a dry flakes. Almond should have high source of nutrition value and a good fat which could be cut your bad calories and bad fat, and it is also help you to increase naturally metabolism. So overall low calories but excellent source of snack option. Now we have dinner time, and dinner we have 1 katori of mixed dal and mixed vegetable salad. For best result, have your dinner before you're going to sleep. In this meal you should have to avoid rice and roti. Now let's check it out its preparation. Add little water in a cooker and also add fresh chopped onion with tomato, and you can also add masalas and salt, and finally add 50 grams of mixed dal, and after mixing them add lots of water because it is help you to cut fat loss. Put on the lid and let's wait for a 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile we will make salad. In salad you can add cucumber, tomato and also add salt on them, and you can also add lemon juice. Check dal, it should be ready by this time. Now what? Your nutrition diet is ready to eat. Simple, quick and healthy, isn't it? The mixed dal will give you a high carbohydrate and also amino acid which will cut your lower belly fat, and if you eat salad it also increase your fiber in your bodies and cut lower belly fat. So hope you enjoy this meal. Thank you.